vlog. I don't know if y'all can see my son right there. Sitting at the door, man. But yeah, today, I'm finna get ready to go to Nashville. We're finna stay in Nashville for a while. We're supposed to be having a little car meet tomorrow. Whatever. It's gonna be, it's not really just specifically Mopars. It's whatever cars anybody got, but it's gonna be majority of Mopars, 615 Mopar Movement throwing it, you know, just a little grill and chill, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, so I'm going up there kind of early because I'm gonna be up there with my girl family or whatever. We're supposed to be sitting back chilling, doing little things with them or whatever, and I'm leaving early. So I gotta get out here and go and watch this car, man. It got pollen all on it. It's dirty, dusty, all of that, and I just hate the fact that it's looking like that, you know? So, and I know I'm looking rough too, but don't worry about that. I got my boots on. Real country boy shit, man. Real country boy shit. But I know I'm looking rough and whatever, and I'm gonna go and get that did, all this stuff. I'm finna wash this car, get myself situated, go get my little boy situated, make sure my girl gets situated, then we gonna hit that slab, you know what I'm talking about? Before this video keep on going, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm on the road to 500 subs, man. Get me to 500 subs. You know, that's my goal. My goal actually is 1,000 subs, but man, get me to the road to 500, man. Give me 500 subs. I'm at 412 right now. Give me the 500 subs. Like this video. Leave a comment. All feedback is good feedback. You know my motto. You know, y'all can say what y'all want to. Y'all can see y'all look dusty, face crusty, all that. You know what I'm saying? Say what you want to. Just leave me some feedback. I don't care what it is. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me get this dirty thing cleaned up. All YouTube, I done finally got my car washed. I had to do a little extra detailing, you know what I'm saying, to make it shine a little bit more. I don't know if y'all can see it on. Let me flip the camera around. I had to make it shine a little bit more, you know. I ain't gave it no good wash, man. It's hard to get all of it in the back. All of that tire, debris and stuff, whatever you want to call it. When I be burning out and stuff, but yeah, man. The brake caliper shining a little bit harder, you know. Yeah, that thing cleaned up. And I'm gonna tell y'all, it's about time to take this off. It's been almost a year since I had it. I love that carbon fiber feel though. Man, I love it. But it's about time to take that off though. But that thing look good. It's about time to take it off though. You know what I'm saying? And when I take, hold on. Yeah, all right. And when I take it off, I got a surprise. I got a surprise coming soon, real soon. My birthday next month, man. I'm turning 26 years old, May the 5th. Yeah. Hopefully, before my birthday, I got a surprise for y'all. Cause these stripes finna get ready to come off. Cause they peeling, you know what I'm saying? And these are, no offense to, you know, no offense, but these are Chinese products that I got the stripes from or whatever that I ordered, and it's peeling, you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of peeling a little bit, and with those kind of products, they do not last long. I'll tell y'all that now. So unless it's 3M, I want to say Hex, excuse me if I'm getting the name wrong, but I know for sure 3M, Hex, and something else. Those are the products that last up to 4 years on your vehicle. The Chinese products, sometimes they're a little flimsy, sometimes they don't last that long. They say 2 years, but I've had this a year, and it's kind of drying up and peeling a little bit. So it's time for it to come off. It look hella good. I don't want to go all the way back black because there's too many black Chargers around here anyway, and I do not like to be like anybody else. I want to look different. I want to be something completely different. I'm about ready to get rid of the Charger anyway because there's too many people around here that got Chargers, period. I'm about ready to go Challenger. And if I go Challenger, you know I got to step it up some, you know what I'm saying? But I don't feel in love with the Charger look, so. But I don't know. But for sure, I do not want to go back all the way black. I got to do something different, period. So I got something else coming. You feel me? I'm gonna tell y'all that I do plan on getting the car completely wrapped, but the wrap idea that I get is gonna go crazy. You feel me? And since we're gonna be in Nashville tomorrow, I think my gal or brother's supposed to be up there. I think he coming or whatever. I would ride out with everybody. You know what I'm saying? But I'm already be up there early. He gonna be up there. He got his car wrapped. He got his car wrapped by the same person that's gonna wrap my car. And the same person that wrap my car is the same person that put my stripes on. My stripes and my pinstripes on. If you go back to my old video, you will see that. But same person that wrapped his car gonna wrap mine. And his car, dope as hell. They just clean, for I ain't lying. And hopefully he'll be up there so I can get y'all some videos of his vehicle. He got the SXT, I want to say 2014, I think, but it's 2014 SXT Charger. But that motherfucker clean. To me, around here, this the hardest wrap on the V6 that I done seen around here. You feel me? So, and really, I ain't even seen no other wraps like that. But to me, they're just hard. They're just hard as hell to me, man. But same person wrap this car gonna wrap mine. And when I come wrap, I swear to God, I'm coming stupid. I'm coming stupid, man. Anybody in the Charge, anybody in the 5.7, man, they gotta see me when they come in, when I'm talking about wrap. Really, period. Man, I'm gonna go and say it, period, man. Anybody in the Charge, you gotta see me when they come with this rap, man. Cause I swear to God, my concept finna go stupid. Like, for real. I'm finna turn up. You feel me? Yeah, you know. But yeah. Let me go and go get myself cut. I'm looking a little rough. Go get situated and stuff. Man, I wasn't clean the car out, but I'll probably clean it out when we head on towards Nashville somewhere. I'll probably stop in Jackson and get it clean. But yeah. Holler at y'all as soon as I get done though. Alright. Alright, YouTube. I done got situated, car clean. I'll chop. Yeah. Look at
that. Love you too.
Yeah.
Can't forget son back.
Cry baby of the century. It might be crying so hard. For nothing though. Like for real, for nothing. For real. But yeah.
Sorry, I missed that.
You ain't talking about nothing. But yeah, we on the way to we finna be on the way to Nashville right now. You know what I'm saying, go get situated with our family and all this stuff. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna do after this. We might get into something else. I don't know.
We'll probably do something tonight. We'll probably do something tonight. Yeah. Go downtown. You never know.
Yeah.
Wherever the wind blows us.
I might put all it on the tube or whatever. But yeah, we on this road now, so whatever we gonna do, we'll get back with you. Alright. Man, if I don't love that truck, I love that. I like that. Look at that thing, y'all. And he all like, look.
That Johnny is cute.
I like that. I like this shit. Look how they sitting up. I like that.
No.
You try to take it off. You don't want it. You think we need to buy him that?
I mean, he ain't gonna keep it out.
You crazy? Look at him. He's just doing crazy stuff. Yeah. And he cocked it. And he cocked it. He cocked it too there.
Yep.
Look at him.
I mean, he ain't gonna keep it out.
He's doing crazy stuff. Yeah.
Then you can keep that daggum hat on.
Oh, bad.
So you finna get him this hat.
Yeah.
He ain't finna keep it on.
He got it on there.
Yeah, he's also trying to take it off.
No, he ain't.
Well, fine then. Come on.
Yeah, my baby got a hat. Yeah. Alright, YouTube, we in Walmart with it.
Yep. You want a little Easter shopping?
My boy got that hat on with the chain on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I got the same clothes on from yesterday. It's a whole nother day, by the way. I ain't had the chance to do everything. So you can call me Crusty, Dusty, Musty, whatever you want to call me, man. Hey, but drop a like and subscribe and comment. Comment, say what you want to say. Crusty, Dusty, Musty.
I hope you ain't all that.
Whatever they want to say, they can say it, because all feedback, good feedback in my eyes. But we gonna go to the house. We just came to the store to get a couple things. He pouring out his milk for his dead homie. Stop doing that.
Why is he so bad?
But
I'm just gonna get him this little thing right here.
I'm gonna go to the crib in a minute.
You play with Chris?
We probably will. We gonna go to the crib in a minute. I'm waiting on everybody to come up here. Kai showed the grill and chill started at 12. So I gotta go back to the spot, put some clothes on. Stop, baby. I gotta go back to the spot, put some clothes on. You know, get situated. Car already clean. I'm gonna wipe it down one more time though. Stop doing it. Stop it. Stop it, boy. Look.
Why you stop, DJ? No. Yeah, you can't do that. And go bye-bye.
That boy look like a grown man with all this stuff. We gonna get up out of here. Cause we done stayed in here for too long. We gonna get up out of here. I'm gonna go back to the spot. Y'all said you and Jay said y'all gonna make that. Yeah, then I'm gonna have her pops ride with me too, so this gonna be funny. Cause I'm gonna do the most. I might do some donuts and I might scare his ass. But we finna get up out of here because we been staying here too long. Once we get up out of here, come back to y'all. All right? Yup. Man, hella Mopars out here. What we do, bro?
Man.
Yup. Good?
What's up?
What's up?
It's a food show, man. Oh, hell. Got your ass out the house. Shit.
Why about over there?
I need your name. I need the crib. Keep his hell out here.
I'm trying to think of that route. It's a black and orange motherfucker. That's so hard, bro. Man, I gotta go get that bitch on camera. I gotta go get that motherfucker. I ain't got no YouTube. I got Snapchat. No, you got that thing out here.
Get out the way of it.
No, you got that thing out here. I love that motherfucker.
That bitch stupid. God, I thought it was
Straight 8.
straight at how you get away.
Hey, that motherfucker so hard, bro. That motherfucker so hard, fool. That motherfucker stupid. Tiger. That's just hard. Yeah, that's just hard. Ooh, that's just hard. When you know my orange and black off finna do?
Yeah.
It ain't that, but it's similar. That's just hard, ain't it, bro? That one was hard. Yeah, that be hard. That be perfect. Oh, wait till you see the color I'm finna come though. I done changed it up again, D, on God.
You done changed up again?
On God. Cause of this, since this got that color.
Yeah, that's what he was saying something about that.
I gotta go get brush it. But since he got that color on God, I'm finna go half and half. Like a military green and black, then the same color green. Yeah, my boy done put the tie letters on it. Ooh. 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 On God, the harder V6 out here. That boy.
Motherfucker, see that joint, I ain't even gonna think they ain't be working no PCBA. They just
On God.
Oh, God.
Get the quad pipes. That motherfucker hard. Then the color just stick out in the sun, bro. Like,
God, it look like candy paint.
man, fool. It don't even look matte for real though. They don't fit. They don't even look matte, bro.
Oh. I'm gonna wrap my
All
shit.
you gotta do
I'm
is
gonna
get
wrap
the
my
mic.
shit purple.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Wrap that shit purple.
All up purple.
Nah, like you got
Like
here.
that. I got something similar to that.
To what?
Purple.
For
Purple.
real. Ah, for real.
Purple.
I seen a purple 392 the wide body. It's purple. We got the red him inside.
Yeah, dang.
Boy, hella more.
Spicing that bitch up right there. Put some stripes on that bitch.
Man, I need to get it resprayed really though. Honestly.
That's what I was thinking about. Get my black spray too.
Yeah, for that.
Mm.
I was gonna do Oreo
God.
and smoke shit with this motherfucker. You can see so many ideas.
I might not do no this month. I'm trying to get 392.
Man, looking at all
I ain't gonna lie.
them. Bro, you go back,
Hey,
we go back
that's
on
another. That's another reason why I thought about even getting my shit wrapped, fool. I'm like, shit, I really. But then I'm really paying too much for my car, fool.
Right.
For I got too many miles on that motherfucker for it to be in 2019, so I had to
Right.
been on drop like 7,000 down, or 10,000 down.
You already tried it.
Hey, y'all tried this shit so many times. Try to give me another car, fool. I was finna try to drop 45 down. They were like, nah, we need at least 7.
For scared.
Yup. So if I would
You seen Junior Junk?
huh?
Seen Lil Junior
That
Junk?
light blue motherfucker, whatever
got
they are, like blue, dark blue.
Almost like that, but
Yeah, they
look,
color.
yeah.
Yeah,
It be stupid.
yeah, it be hard.
He wouldn't shoot that.
See, he had to go come home, man.
Oh, yeah, I told him.
He had to go
I
come
told
home.
him. He said he the whole time he like I ain't getting no dog.
Ah,
But why? I'm
shit.
coming out.
Ah,
He
shit.
pulled up on me, goddamn shaking the dread. Yeah.
Ah,
No, you
shit.
finna get. No, you finna get a goddamn 392 or a dog.
He had to go home. He had to come home.
I haven't ready to come home. I bet you.
And tell you, soon what?
I bet
What?
He gonna try to
What?
come a Hellcat or something though.
Yeah.
He gonna come.
He did that because that Camaro give him problems. Man,
Camaro do.
No problem. God. He just ain't speaking on it. If they don't treat it down, keep him just
He was
up.
telling me, goddamn, he was telling me some shit about that motherfucker.
That's why he don't drive a lot though.
He had that bitch in that garage. Yep.
Yeah,
So he still got that bitch?
Nah, he ain't got no more.
Traded.
No, he traded in. Yep. Traded that whole
Junior.
Yeah, I would did same
Smoking
thing.
soul here. Know he finna get some.
I smoked said, oh, he showed it.
392. I bet.
Tell you, bro. Everybody trying to go and come dog, bro. This shit
he gonna be a
poppin',
Dodge
bro.
City.
He
That
really
shit poppin', bro.
want one of them vets though. He trying to get a vet.
I ain't gonna lie, I rode in the Vit the other day for the
Them
first
bitches
time,
stupid
fool.
too, though.
He was like, he ain't trying to get the fans.
Man.
He just want to look two though. Them bitch still go 200. Yeah.
I rode in the 5.7 jump. They joint was like a
That motherfucker
2000,
breaking, that bitch-
2009, 2000, some shit like
He got
that.
no
That
sting right.
motherfucker
He
pulling
got
so
no
hard,
sting.
bro.
He ready. He beat
got
them
supercharged.
Yeah, he beat them sting right.
Brent, he ain't got no sting right. He got ZOC.
See, they were little motherfucker probably moving so hard.
Probably shoot off and leave something.
Oh God, both of them, look, two of them.
I think that one in the back though. It's
One see.
I didn't be caught dead here.
They be probably moving. I like that jump too.
They're red.
Yep.
I want them DR in mine. Really.
It's a stand on light hard in it.
I'm so, man, I've been thinking about this shit. I've been thinking about getting a motherfucker.
I want to do all that. Really.
Why you ain't got none here?
If I do this smoke, I gotta sweat the whole body.
So they bro jump.
Yeah, right here.
Ooh. Is that plum crazy? That plum crazy, ain't it?
Let's gather over here, please. You would like to participate in this stretch.
Ooh.
Calling all children. Yes, all children. Come to the meeting.
Oh, you got that, yeah, that peanut butter jump. But that shit really orange. It don't look orange though, but.
That's why he got that brake caliper.
Huh? Tay Keith just pulled up in the C8. Damn, for real? Where the C8 at? What is it at? Look at that motherfucker.
What you been doing? You been in the bar out here?
Nah, I stay in the view.
Oh, okay.
I be spending a lot of my time still here.
Yeah.
You know I gotta record, man. You know I got to. What's up, man?
Got the new episode for the Tay Keith coming soon. Coming soon.
Really? What? Cause you just had a red eye. Really?
Huh? Woo. That's my first time ever seeing a motherfucker like that in person too. Swear to God. Wait, I'm gonna be sitting up like that soon. What? On my soul. On my soul. I'm gonna be sitting up like that soon. On God. Couple more weeks. Swear to God.
I said they might got Apple Play in the goddamn.
On God, ain't nobody in a 99 joint though. C8.
You just pulled up, man. What you did the right thing. Take it back. Did the right thing.
C8 take H jump.
C8 red eye, dog. That C8 gonna get that thing. This a bad motherfucker though. I mean the red. People have red eyes. You know what I'm saying? You can pull up and see a red eye, like you know what I'm saying? This one like
C8.
You gotta, they one of a kind right here. You gotta have a couple strings pulled to get one of these motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? You can get your red.
Oh God, do I say it? It be a little foreign, fool. It be a little foreign. Yeah, it said.
You did your thing, boy.
Yeah. Stupid.
Yes, sir.
More than the trunk of this big.
Good footage.
Yes, sir.
Good footage.
Yes, sir. I ain't never even seen no goddamn C8 in person. Oh. For real. Trunk in the front.
Put a motherfucker in the trunk.
Can't put nothing in my nothing but money. Bag of money.
Put a good bag in that bitch.
So what? How much I want for it? Nah, I wouldn't even tell you.
My boy Tuesday done turned into a photographer. Damn, too? Damn. He said you taught him how to do it. That's too much. That shit's ugly. Should hit the gas on that little motherfucker.
Seen it one time.
Bed on that motherfucker so long. Oh God, I used to want one of them bitches so bad, bro. Not the bed though. That bed too goddamn long. That motherfucker.
Short bed, me.
Yeah. But I ain't gonna lie though, this shit slow your speed down.
It's like that wind, ain't it?
That note too high.
Yeah. This shit slow your speed down. That's why I ain't trying to get it.
I told, bro. I told that yellow stand out, bro.
Shit.
Man, Mopar bring attention.
Damn, boy, them 392 popping, bro.
Yeah. Mom bad your seat, 392, I need the police.
Man.
That's why you if I get them big Pusha, the money they'll be rapping about.
Running from them bitches for real though.
Memphis nigga rapping.
Oh, Memphis crazy.
I'm surprised they ain't got that thing on them junk. The Memphis nigga got them thing on the tag. They slide that bit down so they can't see your tag no more.
Yeah. See, Memphis different, bro. Memphis different, bro.
You see that on there, or you take that tag all the way out?
Oh, that be out here going
We
crazy.
just getting the edge, be number that motherfucker slide right now. I swear to God.
Memphis different, bro.
They don't get no fuck either. They turn for real. Them bitches get them turn anything though, get them. Little bitch in there, the Nissan. Yeah, she rapping. Bruh, David, I ain't never seen get them female drive like this girl before. Nissan Max. I thought she had a head kick. Man, I'm talking about ooh, dipping, get them. I'm like, damn, these motherfuckers riding this bitch. Keeping up, get them.
It's crazy.
Cop that stove. Oh God, if I had an RT, I had so fancy, I would have bust y'all. I said, what the fuck? I just started laughing up. Oh God.
That's
on a big blunt.
That's just Memphis, bro.
Oh God.
That's Memphis.
Bro, one girl, I swear to God, she had that on the highway the whole time going. They be motherfucker hanging out the one for I know they almost 40-something minutes. Just out the one to drive, knowing rocks hitting in the face.
For real?
Oh God.
She was driving out the one?
No, she was riding with motherfuckers. They just hanging out the one in the intersection. But I said, I know all the rocks hitting her in the face. Cause you hear she hitting your car and she had to slow down and shit. Motherfuckers hanging out the one.
He might paint it hit to look. Don't tell paint it.
This shit hard. Yeah, everything like that.
Paint it don't tell it like that. What did he about 4.5?
Yeah.
He about 4.5 inches.
It's smooth, right?
Bro, that shit so hard. I already got this car on my channel though when they came to Jackson. This shit different. Yeah, this shit hard though. Daytonas. 392 Daytonas. Both of them. The exact same.
Everything did fine.
This is real though.
Yeah. Hellcat.
Yeah.
I think them the regular step pictures. I mean the regular Daytonas. Yeah. No Hellcat. That's a badass color, bro. That color pop. If it ain't red or yellow, them motherfuckers pop.
Oh, this year they got them brothers, boyfriend, girlfriend, or something.
Some.
God. And they both come from Atlanta.
Girl. Motherfucking Hellcat though, boy.
The yellow motherfucker stupid. I know them bitches be so hitting at night with them lights in the light like that.
God. They got the shake.
Yo, do it, shake.
Shaking 392.
Oh God.
That's how they got it there. See one time.
Yeah.
See the B-Bell quit playing, get on the map.
I'm telling you. Hey, it coming though. I ain't gonna let up.
Hey, we starting. But God,
I ain't gonna let.
we really
I ain't gonna let.
We just get motherfucker on the same court.
Motherfucker got it, yeah. Yo, do what it is.
Like me, Trey, and we were talking about like with Murray Park. Make Murray Park start back talking and saying it. You know, that bitch used to jump back then. Yo. So goddamn, we'll get some goddamn shirt, man. Hard mechanic, Mopars, or some goddamn. See what Trey added in. Yeah, Trey said, what y'all think, hard mechanic Mopars or hard mechanic street runner? He tried to take street runner. You bullshit. You finna have a nigga in two.
See, that shit crazy. Shit like that be crazy though, you feel me? Like, motherfucker really don't be paying no attention. Like, motherfucker be, yeah, oh God. That's what I be thinking though, you feel me? But, yup. Why about it? What the, ooh. He got some beat in there, bitch.
Bit back there though. Check out that lit. Check out that lit.
That's a bad ass lit.
Oh,
Them ain't no goddamn Mickey. Them ain't no Mickey Thompson, none of it. Them ain't Mickey Thompson.
What them is though? Nah, you didn't see the intercooler though? You couldn't see it, but you did. Hey.
Them thick ass tires in that bitch.
Hey, he gonna run up and leave.
See. But them nah, them ain't Mickey Thompson. Them little.
Nice. Hey, that bitch
Slicks on that bitch. I know that bitch pulling.
Yo, I thought the one for
But they like ride. He said he's with the shit.
Them some females in them bitches, bro.
Yeah.
In the scat and in the head kit right here.
Yeah.
I gotta,
Hey, bro.
I gotta come with it,
They
man.
quit doing this. They finna fuck around and break me.
Hey, oh God, look at it, look.
They gonna fuck around and break me for doing this shit right there. I'm scared. I'm fucking around and get the bar goddamn ASAP. Trying to get one like starting Monday. Real talk. Starting Monday.
That boy don't wait no time.
Yeah, this shit just getting started too. This is great though. This hella Mopars out here. I thought it was gonna be like more than Mopars, but you got Mopars, Cadillac pulling up, a couple Camaros done left. This is straight though.
Larry got some smart man. That's something gonna see.
Huh?
What? Like bathroom. You live in a bathroom?
Huh? Who? Nah, I threw the trash away.
I'm sure.
Nah, I threw the trash away.
I see them boys. Look how they cooked up they do, but that's how we flying. God damn, boy.
Black and pink motherfucker, that shit different. Pink calipers on them. That first time seeing a Mustang out here. That boy got some bad paint on that bitch. On my life.
Ooh, girl, look at that color.
Come up with heat.
Who? Who am I? Where he at?
Oh, there?
What the hell he ain't in the Camaro yet?
Yeah, they jump right there. Look right there. Yeah. Behind that green car.
Ah, so live.
Yeah.
I haven't got on his head. Okay.
I wouldn't show up on
He ain't playing.
playing.
He ain't playing. Why you got them slicks on that thing?
And the spray.
Hell no.
It ain't why you got them goddamn slicks on the back of it.
Damn.
Yeah, see.
Hey, he does stuff. You got them right here. He does stuff.
Ooh.
He stock cats for live. That's no joke. That's no joke.
How much they cost?
Bottle, dog.
For each bottle?
Yeah.
Ain't no fucking telling. I'll be honest with you, ain't no fucking telling.
He had to upgrade his
Big ass bottle, though.
Told them motherfuckers on there.
There's no telling what he got done to his motor.
He had to.
But ain't no telling how much it is to get this shit.
No, and he's shooting a big shot too. Bottles that goddamn big. I knew he shooting. There you go. What shot he shooting? What he shooting? I don't know. He right here. He right here. What you shooting in it, dog?
Just a little 25 shot.
Yeah.
I ain't even close to get you.
I ain't good, man.
That motherfucker so goddamn right. Yeah, that is ready. Come on.
never. I don't know. I ain't never just seen this shit. Hey, you can fire it up for me one time. Crank it one time.
That's what I'm saying. That little something to get out there and
I ain't never just seen one of them. Oh no. Oh no.
What's that?
That's my first time ever seeing the SIT photo. I ain't never seen it.
They ain't make a lot of them.
I ain't never just seen this. He should have left me out there.
He supposed been up here. Came out of fucking Sam's today.
It's some banging, boy.
Houston ain't cold.
Yeah.
Houston ain't cold. It was chilly early.
Yeah.
Come on up afternoon.
Real.
I'm by myself.
I know they finna smell. Dang.
Georgia too.
Dang.
They can far as hey, still motherfucking.
end of the video. I'm on my way back to my hometown and stuff now, so everything, you know, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Whatever y'all do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. My baby back there knocked out. You enjoy yourself?
I did. Had a great time.
Yeah, man. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna try to keep the content coming. I know I talked to a couple guys and they said they actually have been watching my stuff. You know, when you're a small YouTuber, you really don't expect a lot of support because, you know what I'm saying, you starting off or whatever. But
You got some real fans out there.
you know, so that means that I just gotta keep going, you know. And I should be having some more content coming soon because I got a lot of stuff planned. And yeah, but next video I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm out.